We have been patiently waiting for more of a winter-like chill to return, at least I have. We had a few isolated showers as well within the very humid air mass. Didn't amount to much of anything. Looks like maybe a few little sprinkles still ongoing across parts of St. Tammany. Don't last very long, but we did pick up a little more than a trace of rain, 1/100th of an inch at Kenner. And then as those clouds kind of pass, we've been under a mix of sun and clouds, and actually at least mostly sunny looking toward downtown at the moment before it goes down. 76 degrees our current temperature, dew points still in that high, kind of uncomfortable range with humidity value at 76%. Today's high 82, only 2 degrees off from the record. And our morning low was 68 degrees, a degree warmer than our average high for this time of year. Way too warm and humid. But it's going to stick around at least until early next week, but signs are for a change to arrive. We're in the 70s outside at the moment, dew points high, and so we will have another very mild night tonight with that southerly wind keeping the Gulf moisture in place. And as long as we have a little bit of a breeze through the overnight, fog won't be a widespread issue, more patchy, but in areas where it does develop could be very dense. We're watching this upper high start building in. That is leading to a warmer trend for the next several days, really until probably about Friday. We've been watching an upper trough. Now, this is going to be a very weak feature that looked like it was going to send a front at least into the area. What it'll help to do is also suppress that upper high, but it doesn't look like that front is going to make it for the weekend. Even if it had, it was only going to drop our temperatures and humidity by a bit. So what we're waiting on is an eventual upper trough that's going to tap into this Arctic frigid air that has spread across central and southern Canada, with most of these locations 20+ degrees below zero. With that kind of an air mass, it is only a matter of time before it moves south, and it looks like that may happen toward the middle of next week, as we'll finally start to see the upper pattern shift and bringing in that cold Canadian air spreading in across much of the nation. Now, that doesn't mean we are going to see temperatures that cold, but when you get that kind of an air mass moving south, that means a big change for us. And it looks like we will finally start to see our temperatures on the average below normal for probably the last half of December. It looks like the pattern shift is coming as we kind of head into the mid part of next week. So some changes on the way, but for the next few days, we keep the warm, muggy air mass in place. A stationary boundary to our north is where the rainfall will remain, and our rain chances pretty slim over the coming days. Tonight, some patchy fog. Rain chances both tomorrow, Thursday, I think with that upper high, slim to none. If we see a little light passing shower, that would probably be about it. So rain chances generally less than 10%. Here comes that approaching front as we head toward Friday, but it looks like that one is going to stall to our north. As I said, even if that one had moved through, it was not going to help to drop our temperatures a great deal. Might, with that system moving in, allow for a few more spotty showers to develop into the weekend. High temperatures staying in the upper 70s. It looks like by Tuesday night going into Wednesday is when that front arrives, and then a dramatic drop in temperatures beyond our 7-day forecast.